Alright guys, so I'm coming to you because I just got my nature box. First thing I tried was the beef jerky. Probably about the best jerky I've done had in a long time. So we're gonna go through the rest of what I got. I got Greek yogurt pretzels, praline pumpkin seeds, garlic pralines, plantains, so garlic bananas, yeah. Parmesan garlic pop pots, cranberry medley, and apple cinnamon oatmeal. So after I taste everything, I'll do another review on how everything tastes besides the jerky, because the jerky is delicious. Keeping the update on the Nature Box. Thanks Nature Box for sending me stuff.